is Rose Njeri. My training was very good. I experienced a lot, and I did online and I did for practical also, and I can recommend anyone. It was the best. I enrolled Caregiving in Emirates Education Centre. I enrolled this course. I had already done it in my country, but I wanted to renew my mind because it's not what I'm working here in Dubai. And the course was very good. The trainer was very good, and it was the best for me. I gained a lot. I gained a lot. The course will help me because now I gain more knowledge that I didn't have there before. I was able to learn even more subjects, more than I had learned before. And the practical was a bit expert. Yes. I came to know it online. Yeah, I got it from online. I was just checking for caregiving and I came through this one. The performance was not bad, it was very good, and I performed well, and the trainer was best. It was good. For sure, I would recommend my family, friend, or people who are around me, or those people who heard that I have done caregiving. I would really recommend because the response is very good. Any question you want, you can ask, either online or you can come for the classes. So it's good. Yes, I like it. I invite my friends, my colleagues to come and join Emirates Education Centre. We teach success.